Yet sperm whales hunt squid as far as 2 kilometers below the surface, spending more than an hour down there without taking a breath. How do they do it? It's a remarkable story that scientists are only beginning to explain. We know that the sperm whale's blood has special qualities. It can hold 5 times more oxygen than that of a land mammal. But that alone could not explain how the whale functions in the hour or so before it finally comes up for air. It seems that unlike land mammals, the whale also has an oxygen storage system, which it refills when breathing at the surface, a bit like recharging batteries. So even though oxygen in the whale's blood is used up fairly quickly, it can then switch to its oxygen reserves. The special proteins gradually release the stored oxygen directly into the muscles. Pressure. Pressure increases rapidly with depth. At only 10 meters, tear away from the ribcage. The pressure 2 kilometers down, where the sperm whale hunts, is 200 times that at sea level. But the whale withstands it. But just how the whale's physiology copes with these massive pressure changes is still a mystery. These stresses would be enough to